everyone, today I am joined by my friend Amanda and we're going to be trying out some colourful eyeshadow. Let's get cracking.
To start off, I'm just evening out the skin tone by priming the eyelids. I'm using a fluffy brush to apply a gel black eyeliner. This creates a good base to apply a colourful eyeshadow. I'm also using this product to create the perfect shape that I want. I'm just using my finger to press the pigment onto the shape that I created. So I'm just layering it until I have the effect that I want. Now that I have the pigment intensity that I want, I'm just blending out the edges. Now just give the lashes a good coating of mascara. Next is foundation. I am using a foundation that also doubles up as a concealer, but I'm applying a very thin layer, and wherever I need more coverage, I'll apply a little bit more. This foundation is also great to correct your eyeshadow application if you want to sharp a line or if you need to correct a shape. I'm applying a thin layer of powder to the face. I don't want a completely matte effect, but I do want to set that foundation. I'm just applying the highlighter on the high points of the cheekbone, as well as in the inner corner of the eyes. I'm using an eyebrow pencil just to fill in any gaps in the eyebrow. I'm still keeping it natural. I don't want the blue eyeshadow to be too theatrical, so I'm using that same eyebrow pencil on the lower lash line, and I'm just connecting it with the upper lash line. This eyeshadow look is really bold, and I don't want to go all out cabaret, so I'm just using a dusty rose color on the lips to bring back some color. I've decided to blend the edges of the eyeshadow with a burnt orange color, and I must say I'm loving the effect it has.